Hazrat Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu and Hazrat Zayd bin Khalid Johani radiyallahu anhu state that a desert Arab entered the presence of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wa alihi wasallam and submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wa alihi wasallam, I placing you under Allah's oath beseech you to pass judgment regarding my case as per Allah's book. His opponent, who was more eloquent than he, submitted, Yes, issue decree regarding our case in accordance with Allah's book, but accord me permission to speak first. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Speak. He submitted, My son was a wage earner with him. He committed adultery with his wife, and I was told that my son would be stoned to death. I ransomed him with 100 goats and a slave girl. I then consulted the scholars who told me that my son would be flogged with 100 lashes and forced into exile for 1 year, whereas his wife would be stoned to death. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, By him in whose possession my soul is, I will pass the judgment between you as per Allah's book. The slave girl and the goats will be returned to you, and your son will be flogged with 100 lashes and banished for 1 year. And O Unas, go to that man's wife in the morning. If she confess, stone her to death. The reporter says, So next morning he went to that woman, she confessed, and then she was stoned to death, as per the command of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Sahih Muslim Hadith number 4410.